Today we are in St Pierre in the Aosta Valley to visit two beautiful castles. Info at the end of the video, but first...
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. 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 All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. All those little moments.
Hi folks, I'm Lawrence from Italy and my aim is to show you many places around the world from my curious human perspective. If you want to help me grow this project, please like and subscribe. In the previous video I told you about many castles in the Courmayeur area, and today I decided to share two of them with you. In case, I don't know, you suddenly have a craving for history nights and dragons, why not? But come on, let's jump in, and you have already seen from the music video the clips come from a small town located between Aosta and Courmayeur called St Pierre. Here are two beautiful castles about a kilometer apart, close enough to be visited safely on foot after parking in the village. The first one I would like to tell you about is the castle of Sarriod de la Tour. It's located in the lower part of the village and it's beautiful. It appears to have been built in the 12th century by Sarriod family and later expanded in the 14th century. It was called de la Tour because in its earliest version it mainly included the tower, a chapel and a wall. To learn more about the history of this medieval castle, I recommend that you take the guided tour, which is extremely interesting and really explains the whole evolution of the castle. I did it! it was really cool actually. The second castle I want to tell you about is much more majestic and imposing, and it's located in the upper part of the city. It's called the Castle of St Pierre. It is one of the oldest manors in the area, and it's beautiful with those 4 towers. It supposedly dates back to the 12th century, and inside there is the beautiful regional museum of natural sciences with all the references of fauna and flora, the minerals and geology of the area. It's really cool, really advised. And here I have a small story, a small fact about this castle. The first time I visited it in 2018, it was closed, and I was really sad. Fortunately, it was reopened in 2022. As usual, all info in description if you are interested. I end the video here. Yes, thank you very much for watching. This was the last video of summer 2024. See you in September. See you with amazing surprises, guys. In the meantime, enjoy the summer, and as usual, my friends, cheers.